Cosplay World, today's video is about cutting EVA foam foamies, craft foam, with a hot knife. Now, a hot knife is effectively a soldering iron in which we replace the head with an X-Acto knife. So we get the advantages of an X-Acto knife with the benefits of heat, which makes cutting through soft malleable material a whole lot easier and quicker. However, the first thing you want to do when we're cutting through EVA foam in general is make sure that the blade is nice and sharp and that it is very clean. And this is where you might want to kind of opt for a box cutter, because the heads on these things are kind of expensive. They run between, I'm going to say about $2 to $5 a pop, and so switching those out regularly to get a nice clean cut might not be something for you. However, I can usually get most of a project done with a brand new head. Just like I was mentioning earlier, whatever you're cutting through the EVA foam, you want to have a nice clean cut, because it's a soft malleable material, and any kind of drag or snag is going to cause the material to buckle, and you'll end up with an uneven cut or uneven surface, and that doesn't look as good. So we definitely want to avoid that. Now, one thing that's going to happen as you're using the hot knife is that slag is going to build up on the surface, or well, melted EVA foam. And so I regularly clean the blade to make sure that doesn't get a buildup, and that's so I don't get the drag and thus the uneven cut. I hope this helps you. Hope you take a whack at cutting through EVA foam with a hot knife. Good luck, Cosplay World. Good times to all. If you're looking for cosplay tutorials, I might have a few hundred. Anyway, if that interests you, hit that sub button.